Hello, welcome to Explora. Today we're going to learn how to make different potions and mixtures with stuff that you should have at home. Make sure to cover your workspace so no messes are made. Make sure you have something to measure out different powders into your mixtures. Make sure you have something to measure out different liquids to your mixtures. Some examples of some safe materials that you can use for these experiments are baking soda, flour, salt, vinegar, food coloring. I'm going to give you an example of a potion that you can make from home right now. So onto this little plate, I'm going to add some vinegar, a couple drops of food coloring, and just add a little bit of different materials to your mixture and observe what happens. And now I'm going to add some baking soda. Go ahead and try this at home.